Struggling to keep up with the demand for sleek, professional presentations? You're not alone. In the fast-paced world of 2025, efficiency is everything, and that's where AI tools like Gamma step in, promising to revolutionize how we create and share our ideas. This is our honest Gamma AI review, where we'll look beyond the marketing and see what this platform really offers with a hands-on demo. Essentially, Gamma is an AI-powered document and presentation creator. You provide a prompt and it generates a structured presentation complete with text and a realistic, automatically applied visual theme. The built-in AI assistant allows you to refine the text without ever leaving the platform, offering options to simplify, elaborate, or completely rewrite content. The design philosophy is modular, using blocks for text, images, and videos that you can easily mix, match, and personalize with your brand assets. The Output is not just a slide deck but a living web page that you can present from or share with a link, making it highly accessible. The clear advantages here are the unprecedented creation speed, the smart and integrated writing help, and the consistently good-looking results that require zero design skills from the user. The web-based sharing and analytics are also fantastic for remote collaboration. On the flip side, the main drawback is the limitation in creative freedom. You are confined to Gamma's design system, which, while elegant, may not accommodate every unique visual idea you have. The AI-generated content is a solid draft but demands your review to ensure it perfectly captures your voice and message. All things considered, Gamma AI is an exceptionally strong tool for anyone looking to produce high-quality presentations quickly and with minimal stress. It's a fantastic solution for business professionals, educators, and content creators. For the vast majority of use cases, it delivers on its promise and is certainly one of the best AI presentation tools to consider this year. Gamma offers a tiered pricing structure starting with a free plan for simple projects, which includes limited AI creations and allows exporting to various formats. The Plus plan, billed at $8 per month annually, removes Gamma branding and offers unlimited AI creations with standard monthly credits. The Pro plan, at $18 per month annually, adds premium AI image models, custom branding, analytics, and API access. Finally, the Ultra plan is priced at $100 per month and provides the highest level of AI usage, access to the most advanced models, and early feature access, with all paid tiers building upon the features of the previous one. Thank you for spending your time with me. If this review helped you, please show some support with a like and subscribe for more honest tech insights.